Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about BIOSTAR Radeon RX 7600 OC graphics card. So friend, BIOSTAR has announced the latest BIOSTAR AMD Radeon RX 7600 OC graphics card built to deliver stunning visual and efficient computing capabilities. So friend, the graphics card is perfect for casual gamers seeking smooth enjoying gameplay without overspending and powered by AMD RDNA3 architecture. The RX 7600 OC offers excellent 1080p performance with features like AMD FreeSync and FidelityFX super resolution, ensuring seamless gameplay and sharp visual. Whether you are diving into simulation, strategy games, enjoy casual season with friends, and the card's overclocking capabilities, cooling provide the perfect balance of performance and affordability. So friend, the graphics card is impressive specification with delivering 8 GB of GDDR6 memory and 128-bit bus, and it is optimized for smooth 1080p gaming across a wide range of titles and the base clock speed of 2318 mAh from the factory, and the RX 7600 OC can boost up to 2726 MHz, delivering fast frame rate, reduced entering times, and smoother, more impressive gaming experience, and supporting PCIe 4.0, HDMI 2.1, and 3 DisplayPort 2.1 output. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.